Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Rashi and in this video we will be starting with a new exercise. Exercise 11.4. So we were on chapter number 11, mensuration of class 8. And we have done exercise 11.1, 11.2 and 11.3 in our last videos. So we'll be starting with exercise 11.4 now. Okay, so this is the last exercise of this chapter and then we'll be starting with all the examples of this chapter. So coming to the last exercise, exercise 11.4, question number 1. So question number 1 says, given a cylindrical tank in which situation will you find surface area and in which situation volume? So we will be given certain situations जिसमें हमें ये बताना है कि we have to calculate surface area और volume. Okay, so the first situation is to find how much it can hold. To find how much it can hold. Okay, the second situation is number of cement bags required to plaster it. Number of cement bags required to plaster it. And the third situation is to find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled. To find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with water from it. So the question says, given a cylindrical tank, in which situation will you find surface area and in which situation volume? Okay, so एक cylindrical tank है, हमें बताना है कि किस situation में हम उसका surface area calculate करेंगे and in which situation volume. So the first situation is to find how much it can hold. अगर एक cylindrical tank है हमारे पास, suppose this is the tank. ये एक सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक है, तो इसमें हम इसके अंदर कितनी क्वांटिटी हम होल्ड कर सकते हैं. लाइक सपोज वाटर ही है, तो हम इसके अंदर कितने लीटर्स ऑफ वाटर स्टोर कर सकते हैं. सो सिंपली वॉल्यूम. इन दिस सिचुएशन वी विल बी कैलकुलेटिंग दी वॉल्यूम, बिकॉज वॉल्यूम मीन्स उसके इनसाइड में हम कितनी ऑब्जेक्ट स्टोर कर सकते हैं, वही इसने पूछा है. सो इन फर्स्ट सिचुएशन वी विल बी कैलकुलेटिंग दी volume. Right, now coming to second situation, number of cement bags required to plaster it. We have already done these type of questions. जब हमें उसकी surroundings को, उसकी boundary को plaster करना है, so we will be calculating the area, surface area and not वॉल्यूम, वॉल्यूम तो क्या होता है, उसके अंदर कितना स्पेस है, दैट इज दी वॉल्यूम. एंड सरफेस एरिया मीन्स दी, वो सराउंडिंग्स में कितना एरिया ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है, राइट. सो इन सेकेंड सिचुएशन वी विल बी कैलकुलेटिंग दी सरफेस एरिया. And in third situation, to find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with water from it. Again, उसके अंदर हमारे पास जितना वाटर है वो हम स्मॉल स्मॉल टैंक्स में फिल कर रहे हैं, तो फिर कितना वाटर फिल हो सकता है. अगेन टॉकिंग अबाउट दी वॉल्यूम. तो जब भी हमारे पास बात हो रही होगी कि उसके अंदर कितना स्पेस है, देन वॉल्यूम. एंड जब भी उसकी बाउंड्रीज की बात हो रही है, वी हैव टू plaster it using cement bags. So for number of cement bags required, simply surface area. Okay, so this was question number 1 of exercise 11.4. Now coming to question number 2. Now let's come to second question. So question number 2 of exercise 11.4 says diameter of cylinder A is 7 centimeter and its height is 14 centimeter. Diameter of cylinder B is 14 centimeter and its height is 7 centimeter. Without doing any calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? Without doing any calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? Verify it by finding the volume of both the cylinders. Verify it by finding the volume. Right? यहाँ तक clear है? Then we have one more part, children, that says check whether the cylinder with greater volume also has greater surface area. Check whether the cylinder with greater volume also has greater surface area. So now let's draw the diagram also. One cylinder is like this, and one cylinder is like this. So this is 14 centimeter and 7 centimeter. This is 14 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So now let's read the question again. Question says diameter of cylinder A is 7 centimeter and its height is 14 centimeter. This is cylinder A and this is cylinder B. So cylinder A में height is 14 centimeter and diameter is 7 centimeter, and in cylinder B height is 7 centimeter and diameter is 14 centimeter. Without doing actual calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? So अब हमें actual calculation भी करनी है, we have to verify it. But before that हमें एक बार ऐसे suggest करना है that according to us, without doing any calculation, whose volume would be greater. So for that children, हमें diameter check करना होता है. Diameter जिस भी ऑब्जेक्ट का, जिस भी टैंक का, या जहाँ पे सिलेंडर की बात हो रही है, तो फिर जिस भी सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम इज ग्रेटर, इट मीन्स जिस भी सिलेंडर का डायमीटर इज ग्रेटर, इट मीन्स इट्स वॉल्यूम विल बी ग्रेटर, राइट? सो इन दिस द डायमीटर इज 7 सेंटीमीटर एंड इन दिस द डायमीटर इज 14 सेंटीमीटर. विड्थ में जितना भी वो ऑब्जेक्ट ज़्यादा होगा, उतना ही उसका वॉल्यूम भी ज़्यादा होगा, उतना उसमें कैपेसिटी इंक्रीज हो सकती होगी, राइट? So let's verify our answer. Volume of cylinder A equals to pi r square h. So pi is 22/7. Radius क्या है हमारा in cylinder A? 7/2 centimeter. ठीक है, and height is 14 centimeter, right? This is for volume, this is for cylinder A. So radius is 7/2 into 7/2 into height is 14. Okay, so radius 7/2 कैसे? Because diameter is 7 and radius होता है half of diameter, it means 7/2. ठीक है, so this is 7 से 7 कट, 2 11 2 7. ठीक है, so 77 into 7 which is 7 7s are 49, 4 carry, 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 4 53. So 539 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. अब यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट किया है, इसलिए सेंटीमीटर क्यूब आएगा. Again, calculating the volume of cylinder B. Again, pi r square h, but here radius would be 14/2, which is 7 centimeter, and height is again 7 centimeter. So this is for cylinder B, जिसमें हमारे पास radius 14 था. So diameter was 14. So for radius 14/2, 7 centimeter. So this will be 22/7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Why? Because height is also 7, radius 2 times, height 1 time. 7 से 7 cut. Now this is 22 into 49. अब 22 into 49 करते हैं. What will be the answer? 49 into 22. So 9 2s are 18, 1 carry, 4 to the 8 plus 1 9, again 9 to the 18 1 carry, 4 to the 8 plus 1 9, so this is 8, this is 17, 1078 centimeter cube. This is the volume for सिलेंडर B. नाउ लेट्स कंपेयर. सिलेंडर A का वॉल्यूम है 539, सिलेंडर B का वॉल्यूम है 1078. सो वी कैन क्लियरली से दैट वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर B इज ग्रेटर volume of cylinder B is greater. Okay, so that's what the question asked us कि हमें verify करना है by finding the volume कि किसका volume greater है. So without calculation हम कैसे judge कर सकते हैं? The diameter of whose cylinder would be greater, that cylinder would have greater volume. ठीक है, हमने B ही judge किया था without calculation भी, and वैसे भी answer B ही है. So this was the first part of the question. अभी इसमें एक second part भी है. Check whether the cylinder with greater volume also has greater surface area. अब हमें surface area भी check करना है, right? So first you can take a screenshot of this. Then I'll rub this and फिर हम surface area की बात करेंगे. Now let's talk about the surface area. So surface area of cylinder A equals to 2 pi r h plus r. This is the formula for surface area of a cylinder. Right? इसमें हमारे पास radius है again 7/2 centimeter and height is 14 centimeter. So 2 as it is, pi is 22/7, radius is 7/2, height is 14 plus 7/2 again. इसको इस वाले फॉर्मूले से करने की वजह आई हैव टोल्ड यू वन मोर फॉर्मूला. ये तो हमने कॉमन लेके फॉर्मूला बनाया, बट इसमें 2 पाई आर एच प्लस 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर ये इसका ओरिजिनल फॉर्मूला है. इसमें अगर हम 2 पाई आर कॉमन ले लेंगे तो एच प्लस आर बचेगा. सो दैट इज आफ्टर टेकिंग कॉमन, बट हम ओरिजिनल फॉर्मूला में ही वैल्यूज पुट करते हैं. 22/7 इंटू 7/2 इंटू 14, राइट, प्लस 2 इंटू 22/7 इंटू 7/2 इंटू 7/2. ठीक है, अब हम इसको कट करते हैं, तो 7 से 7 कट, 2 से 2 कट, सो दिस इज 22 इंटू 14 प्लस 7 से 7 कट, 2 से 2 कट, 2 से 22 भी कट, सो प्लस 77 हो गया. ठीक है, 22 इंटू 14 वुड बी 4 2 जा 8, 4 2 जा 8, 1 2 जा 2, 1 2 जा 2, so 803. So 308 plus 77, that will give us 8 plus 5 is 15, sorry 8 plus 7 is 15, 1 carry, this would be 8, 385 centimeter square. Now why I am writing square, because अब हम surface area calculate कर रहे हैं, right. अब ये तो surface area हो गया सिलेंडर A का. Now let's talk about the surface area of cylinder B. So surface area of cylinder B equals to again 2 pi RH plus, see radius is 14/2, which is 7 centimeter, and height would be 7 centimeter, right. ये तो हमारा हो गया रेडियस एंड हाइट ऑफ सिलेंडर बी, एंड द फॉर्मूला वुड बी 2 pi RH प्लस 2 pi R square. So putting the values here only, let us rub this also. तो अब हमारे पास ये हो जाएगा 2 as it is 22/7 into 7 into 7 plus 2 into 22/7 into 7 into 7, 7 से 7 कट, 7 से 7 भी कट. ठीक है, so now we are left with 14 into 22 plus 14 into 22. So basically 308 plus 308, because 14 into 22 is 308. अभी हमने कैलकुलेट किया था, right. So 308 plus 308 will give us 8 और 8 16, 3 और 3 6, 616 centimeter square. So now let's compare. What surface area of cylinder 1 is 385, surface area of cylinder B is 616. So again cylinder B का surface area ज़्यादा है. What does this mean? That yes, जिसका volume ज़्यादा है, check whether the cylinder with greater volume also has a greater surface area. So yes, why? Because इसका volume भी इसी का ज़्यादा है, and then surface area भी इसी का ज़्यादा है. ठीक है, cylinder B का. Okay, so basically what we did in this question, let's recall. We were given two cylinders, cylinder A and cylinder B. दोनों की height and radius given था. We need to compare कि दोनों क्या volume में, दोनों के volume में से किसका volume greater होगा. Okay, so for that we calculated the volume of both the cylinders, and volume of cylinder B was greater. ठीक है, so now our next question was check whether cylinder with greater volume also has greater surface area. So हमने दोनों के surface area भी calculate करे, so वो भी cylinder B का ही ज़्यादा है. So yes, both the volume and surface area of cylinder B is greater than cylinder A. Okay, so this was question number 2 of exercise 11.4. So this was question number 2 of exercise 11.4. We have done question number 1 and question number 2 in this video, and we'll be starting with question number 3 in our next video. So stay tuned for my next video. I'll be starting with question number 3 in that video, and if you still have any doubt in these questions, you can write in our comment section below. And don't forget to like and share this video. I'll be coming up with a new video very soon. Thank you.